How to change currency on MetaTrader 5. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can change currency on Meta. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step here is open up your MetaTrader 5. Make sure that you're logged in into your account. After you've done that, head over to the quotes section that is on the bottom left, which I am in right now. And after you're here, on the top left, if you're on this section, tap on the top left option. And after you do that, tap on your pen icon that is on the top right. Now what you can do is you can simply select the pair that you do not want or whichever pair that you want. So if you tap on the right section, the three lines, you can simply drag it up to give it more priority. And you can do that if you can simply do that for others as well. And if you want to remove a pair, you can simply select it on the left hand side and then tap on this trash icon on the top left. Top right. After you've done that, you're basically good to go, and that's how you change currency on MetaTrader 5. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye.